welcome back to my channel Cook and Bake Street. Today we are going to make really healthy, delicious breakfast recipe, and the recipe is oatmeal cookie, and that too without sugar. So if you like the recipe, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too. So let's start. As a very first step, we'll take 2 overripe banana. If you have black bananas, then that too is good for health. So let's take it. And then we'll mash it with the help of a masher. And now goes second banana. Now we'll mash it. You have to mash it properly, like there should not be any lump in this, because that's not good for your cookie. Now it's done perfectly as required with no lumps. It's perfectly smooth now. So we'll be adding all the ingredients one by one to it. So we'll start with this pumpkin seed. We have to take 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed. This is 1 whole tablespoon. Then we'll take 1 cup of roasted oats, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1.5 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cranberry, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, it's roasted, 1 tablespoon of raisin, a little more than that, it's 1 teaspoon actually, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Together with this you can add ghee, it's totally optional. Instead of ghee you can add butter as well. If you don't want to add any fat content, then you don't need to add it. And then we'll mix all these ingredients together. Now it is properly mixed, so we'll be taking scoops out of this using ice cream scooper. Grease this tray with ghee. Now we'll pour this mixture on this one by one with the help of this ice cream scooper. Now we'll flatten this a bit with the help of the spatula in shape of cookie. I have flattened it properly one by one using spatula in shape of cookie. Now I have to place it in microwave for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I have already preheated my microwave at 180 degrees. Our cookies are out of microwave now. It has come to room temperature and it's ready to be served. It's looking really colorful as you can see and yummy. It's rich in protein, fiber, potassium and iron. So it's very healthy for you. If you want to lose weight, then this is the best thing you can have, and together with that it's very yummy.